Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix block blast revive not working. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to simply come out of your block blast game, and here you need to tap on the Google Play Store or App Store, and here you just have to simply search for any update in your block blast game. If you see any update, you just have to simply update block blast to the latest version and then try to get the revive option and check if the revive option is working or not. Now the revive option to work, it will need you to watch any ad. So if the ad isn't popping in your device, there might be some problem with your internet connection. So you just have to simply reset your internet connection, and for that you just have to swipe down your notification bar, and here you will see the airplane mode. So you need to tap on the airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds. After that you will have to tap on the airplane mode again, and what this will do is it will reset your game completely, and it will also help you in the improvement of your internet connection. Now you will have to go to the revive option and try to watch the ad and check if the method is working for you or not. Now if this method isn't working for you, you might have placed the ad block in your Android or in your iOS device. So you will have to first disable that, and only then you will be able to get the ads in order to get the revive option. So let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, you just have to go to the settings of your device, and here you need to use the search bar in the top and search for DNS. Here you will see the option of private DNS, and as you can see that I set my private DNS over here. So you will have to turn it off and press the save button, and this way you will be able to start getting the ads, and you will be able to start using revive option. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.